everyone, today we have HTC dual SIM 728 not charging or turning on, looks like that. We got a lot of cases on different models like Samsung and iPhone and Huawei and HTC doing the same thing. It's a software issue and we are going to fix this problem for now. All you have to do is to press volume down with power button for the HTC. Put the charger on and press these buttons until the phone turns on. Keep pressing again and again and again until the phone vibrates and turns on. Software bug or software issue causing this phone to be freezing, doing nothing. Wait for it. Okay, it's working. That's it. If I saved your phones, subscribe now. We will see you in the next video. Ciao. If you wanna thank me, by like and subscribe. Click that ring to get all my videos. Stay tuned for the next problem.